The media uses different technologies. These technologies keep on changing continuously as more advanced machines are developed. To stay updated in this competitive business world, the mass media uses these latest and expensive technologies, which in turn requires a large amount of money. We watch news, movies and several other programs on different TV channels, mobile apps, etc. These shows are being made and brought to us with the help of a number of people like technicians, cameramen, lightmen, sound recordists, journalists, newsreaders and several other artists. All these people have to be paid for their services. So, the TV channels, mobile apps and newspapers, which are the parts of mass media, invest a great deal of money in this process. There are different ways through which mass media gets back their money. The most popular one is through advertisements. Several companies give advertisements for their products and pay to the TV channels, mobile apps, newspapers, etc. so that their products are being shown to the audience. These advertisements influence the audience and encourage them to buy the products which are advertised. When people buy these products, not only the companies but also the TV channels, newspapers, mobile apps, etc. are also benefited.